also coming like manna, as he has seen him go into heaven. Acts 1 verse 9 to 11. He was taken up from triumphs, and while they looked steadfastly towards heaven, as he went up, behold, two men stood by them in white apparel, which also said, Ye men of Galilee, why stand ye gazing up into heaven? The same Jesus which is taken up from you into heaven shall so come like man.